हेलो, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद इसान खान है। Currently, I'm pursuing my degree in Civil and Environmental Engineering from IIT Patna. I'm a sophomore in my college, and so yeah, let's start our topic on limits and derivatives. In my previous classes, I had done the question number 65, so I'll just take on from what is left. Alright. So from question number 66, I'll take on. Alright. So in question number 66, we have a limit x tends to a 0. Alright. Tan 2x minus x divided by 3x minus sin x. Alright. So now what do we know? Like we know these two formulas. Alright. Then x is tending to a 0 and we have sin x upon x. The value returns 1. Alright. And when x is tending to a 0 for tan as well, the same thing happens. Okay. This whole thing returns a value of 1. Alright. So currently, if we see, this is a 0 by 0 form. Alright. So we can't just simplify it just yet. So in order to do so, what we can do is we can make these two formulas in the whole given expression. So how can we do this? Let's see. The question given to me is this. Alright. Now, if I just divide the whole thing by x, what am I being left with? So it will be tan 2x divided by x minus x divided by x, 3x divided by x minus sin x divided by an x. Alright. Now, if I just divide and multiply by 2, then it is tan 2x by 2x. See, and this is sin x by x. And if I just distribute this limit over limit x tends to a 0, tan of 2x divided by 2x minus 1 whole divided by 3 times 3 minus limit x tends to a 0 sin x upon x. Alright, so what am I being left with? I can just write it over here. This returns a value of 1, this returns a value 1. So 2 minus 1 is, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is your answer, 1 by 2. Alright, now let's move on to question number 67. So question number 67, it has been given to me. First, let me just write down the question for you. Yeah, so in question number 67, I have an fx, which is x minus greatest integer function of x. Alright, and basically what do I have to find? I have to find f dash 1 by 2. Alright, so this is the question. Now, what can we do for this? Basically, what do I have? I have my fx, and let's just write it again. This is the questions part. Alright, so fx has been given to me, which is nothing but x minus gif of x. Now, if I need to find fx plus h, it will be x plus h minus gif of x plus h. Alright, now if I need to find f dash x, what is the formula? I hope you remember it. Fx plus h minus fx divided by h for limit h tends to a 0. This is the first principle. Alright. Now, if I just put in the values that I have in place of fx plus h, I can just write like this: x plus h minus gif of x plus h. All right, let's make it a curly one. All right, and subtracted by x minus GIF of x and whole divided by NH. All right, simple enough. So from here I can write it as limit h tends to a 0. And basically, what do I have here? When h will turn to a 0, I have a let's see, I'll just write it, and then if I see the need, I'll just do that. First, I have x plus h. All right, then there's a minus x, and there will be a plus h. Because the GIF of x itself is there, right? I can write this as x as my h is tending to a 0. All right. So I have an x plus h, minus x, and plus x. And similarly for x plus h, see what I was about to tell you, that when h will tend to a 0, then this will tend to what? GIF of x. And I'm supposing that x is an integer in itself, so it will return a value of x, right? So x plus h will return a value of x. GIF of x plus h return a value of x. So x plus h bracket minus x on it, and this is the GIF part. And the whole thing in here has been divided by NH. Alright. So let's just simplify it now. On simplification, all the xx all have been subtracted, and I will get a value of 1 simply, right? So it was a question that seemed pretty complex if you don't know the first principle on it. You should be comfortable with the first principle. Yeah. So let's move on to the next question. This is question number 68, and so in question number 68, it has been given to me y is under root x plus 1 upon under root x. And we just simply have to find dy by dx at x is equals to 1, right? So I can write my y as this, alright? And upon differentiating this whole term with respect to x, what will I get? I will get a 1 by 2 over here, and x minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 over here, and the x minus 3 by 2. Alright, now if I put the value for x given to me as 1, then I'll get the answer for this, which will be nothing but what? Half minus half is nothing but 0. So the answer for this question is B part, which is 0. Yeah. Moving on to question number 69. It has been given to me that fx is equals to x minus 4 divided by 2 times under root of x. Then they want us to find f dash 1, right? The same question that we had above. There was they first wanted us to find dy by dx and put the value of x equal to 1. Now it is more convenient to write it like this. All right. Now if we just simplify this, what will we be left with? Like x minus 4 and under root x is there, so I can just open it up like this. Yeah, simple. And further, if I can write this as this, and this can be written as x1 by 2 minus 4 times x minus 1 by 2. All right. You can see the resemblance from the question that we had done previously. If I can find f dash x, then it will solve all my problems, right? Half will come here, x minus 1 by 2 and minus 4 minus 1 by 2 times x minus 3 by 2. All right. So this is what my f dash x. Now if I put the value for x equal to 1, what am I being left with is this. Minus minus will give me a plus 2, and x is 1. So this is half times 5 by 2. So this is 5 by 4. This will be your answer for this question. All right. Now, moving on to the next question. Question number 70. Right? So in question number 70, it has been given to me that y is equals to 1 plus 1 upon x square and 1 minus 1 upon x square, then simply we have to just find the dy by dx for the whole term. Alright, so what we can do is simply uh, take the LCM of x square plus 1 divided by an x square and x square minus 1 divided by an x square. So I have a value of this. Now what I can do is I can uh, no need to simplify it further. Just put the formula for that division rule and I'll get it. dy dx of x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 d by dx of x square minus 1. The whole thing divided by x square minus 1 cos square. Alright, now I'll be simplifying it on the next page. So what am I being left with? There's an x square minus 1. d by dx of x square plus 1 will give me 2x. Alright, minus and x square minus 1 dy dx of x square minus 1 again will return a value of 2x, and the whole thing is divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. Alright, so I'll just take x square minus 1 2x and there will be x square plus 1 here, right? So just open it up. 2x cube minus 2x cube minus 2x. Alright, and in denominator what do I have? I have an x square minus 1 का whole square. So what will it, this and this will be cancelled out. Minus 2x will be minus 4x divided by an x square minus 1 का whole square. So can I find any option like this? Minus 4x. Yeah, the first option is correct. So moving on to question number 71. Yeah, so we are coming to the close of this topic. So moving on, in question number 71st, it has been given to me that y equal to sin x plus cos x. See, this is a very, like much used question. You'll see this question like in so many places. I can remember this question very well. Yeah. So basically the trick in this question is that you divide the whole thing by a cos. So the life will be very easy for you. If you divide the whole thing by cos, what will you get? Tan x. Let me write the whole thing for you. If I divide the whole thing by cos, there will be sin x upon cos x plus 1 sin x upon cos x minus 1. Alright, I can write this as tan x plus 1, tan x minus 1. Okay, so this is my question. Okay, now this is not my question. My question is y equal to tan x plus 1, tan x minus 1. Now, tell me one thing. What is tan x plus pi by 4? Tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a tan b, right? So let me just write it. It is tan x plus tan b. Tan pi by 4 is 1 and 1 minus tan a tan b, 1 minus tan x. Alright, and in question what do we have? In question I have y equal to tan x plus 1 and tan x minus 1. So if I just take a minus sign out, minus 1 multiplied with tan x plus 1 and 1 minus tan x. See the resemblance? So what I can write this as? I can write this as minus of tan x plus pi by 4. Alright, this is the new y. Now my question is not tan x plus 1 and all that. My question is minus times tan x plus pi by 4. Minus times tan x plus pi by 4. Now if I differentiate this, dy by dx of tan is sec square x minus sec square x plus pi by 4. Alright, And since there is nothing with x also, so there will be no need for the chain rule, like there is nothing multiplied with x. So yeah, so and the value for x is going to a 0. So minus x square pi by 4 will give me a value of minus 2. Alright, sec pi by 4 is under root 2. So sec square will be 2. Yeah. So minus 2 is the first option itself. Alright. Now, let's just hop on to the next question. See, in the next question, what has been given to me is the value for y is sine x plus 9. Alright. And divided by a cos of x. Now, what do we have to do is we have to find dy by dx at x equal to 0. Same thing written as this. Yeah. So basically, what I can do is I can see this sine a plus b and open this up. So what am I being left with? Here will be sine x cos 9 plus cos x sine 9. This line will be in radian, okay, and divided by cos x. Now, still I can simplify it further. How I can just like separate these two terms with the same denominator. I will get a tan x cos 9 plus a sine 9. So this is the new y that I have. And if I just take y dash, it will be a sec square cos 9, and this will be a 0. So I have a cos 9 times sec square x, and for the value for x is equals to 0. So at x equals to 0, cos is equals to 1, so sec will be equal to 1, so the answer will be cos 9. Alright, so this will be the answer. Yeah, so let's just move on to the next question, which is question number 73rd. Alright. So in question number 73rd, what has been given to me is there is an fx is equals to 1 plus x square by 2, and it is going on till x 100 by 100. And now they're asking the value for f dash 1. So tell me one thing, I just write it as clean as I can, so you can get the point yourself. Yes, x squared by 2 plus x cubed by 3 plus x 4 by 4, and so on. So if I differentiate this will be 0, this will be 1 plus 2 times x by 2 plus 3 times x squared by 3 plus 4 times x cubed by 4, and this the same thing will be happening till the last term. So what is my f dash x? If I can write it, it is like this: 1 plus x square till x to the power 99. Alright. So if I put the value for x equals to 1, yeah. So 1 plus 1 plus, from here 1 plus 1 till 1, and these are 99. See, x to the power 1, x to the power 2 till x to the power 99. So 1, 2 till 99. So these are 99 terms. So 1 plus 99 will be equal to 100. So the answer for this problem is this one. Okay, got this. Now moving on to the next question for today. Question number 74. So in question number 74, what do I have? It has been given to me that fx is equals to x raised to the power of n minus a raised to the power of n whole thing divided by x minus a, and a is a constant. So they want us to find the value for f dash a. Alright. Now, how can we solve this question? There are many ways, but if you can't see any way to simplify this question, you can just go ahead and do the division rule. So x minus a d by dx of x raised to the power of n minus a raised to the power of n minus x raised to the power of n minus a raised to the power of n and d by dx of x minus a. Divide this whole thing by a square of x minus a. All right. Now there will be an x minus a over here and n x n minus 1 here minus x n minus a n, and there will be 1 here, so I'm not writing it. Yeah, so what we can do, can we simplify it further? We can try to. So what will be there? N x x n x minus 1, so we can write this as n x n. All right, minus a n x n minus 1 minus x n plus a n. Divide this whole thing by x minus a whole square. Okay, so let me write this again. What will I have? So I'll have I have to put the value for x equal to a. So I'm being left with what? N a n minus a n times a n minus 1 minus a n plus a whole thing by a minus a ka whole square. Okay, so anything by 0 will return a value for what? Infinite. And here we can say that it does not exist. All right. Okay. So moving on to the next question. So I have question number 75 here. So question number 75, it has been given to me that fx is equals to x raised to the power of 100 plus x raised to the power of 99 till where? Going till x plus 1. So these are 100 terms and there is an extra one over here. All right, are you getting this one? So if I just simply so this one is the question. Okay, so if I differentiate it with respect to x, what will I get? I'll get a 100 times x 99 plus 99 times of x 98, and this thing will go on till where? Till 1. This one will be 0. Sorry. So this is these are 100 terms. All right. Now if I just put the value for x is equals to 1 in this, I'll be left with 100 plus 99 plus 98 till where? Till 1. So if you can see, this is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 100. So these kind of questions you must have done. All right. So this is nothing but summation of n. So summation of n is n plus 1 by 2. So the value for n is equals to 100. So 100 times 101 by 250. So 0.5050. Yeah, A option will be correct. Now moving on to the next question. So in question number 76. Question number 76, the same kind of problem is there, and they have given me like 101 terms. So let me just write them down for you. There's a 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube, and it is going on till x raised to the power of 100. So these are 101 terms. All right, now if I try to find f dash of x, it will get me this plus 2x minus 3x square, and it is going on till plus 100. Yeah, plus 100. Which question was it? Yeah, this one. And x raised to the power of 99. Yeah. Okay, so these are 100 terms. And what catch do I have in this question? That x is equals to 1. So I can simply write this whole thing as what? There are two ways to proceed for this. Let me just take the even and odd part, separate them, because there's a minus sign as well, right? So what will be there if I just separate? So I can write the odd part over here. Odd part is 1. plus 3x square plus 5x4, right? Till going till 99 times x raised to the power of 98. This is in minus. And what will be in plus? The even part. Even part is 2x plus 4x cube plus 6x 5, right? Going on till 100x raised to the power of 99. So the odd part and the even part I have separated differently, and both have 50 terms. All right, because there are total 100 terms, so odd and even will be separated evenly. So there will be 50 terms in each. Now, if I just put the value for x is equals to 1 in the above distributed system, I'll have a 1 plus 3 plus 5 till 99. And here I'll have a plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 till 100. Only. Now, simply what do you have to do? You have to use the formula for summation. So, minus 50 terms are there. So, 50 by 2, 2 times 1 plus 50 minus 1 by 2. 50 minus 1 into 2, so 49 into 2. Right? That is there. Plus, plus again 50 terms are there. So, 50 by 2. And first 2 plus 49 into 2. Alright. So, I can write this as what? Minus 50, 1 plus 49, 50 plus 50, 2 plus 49 is 51, right? It is simple. So there is what? Minus 50 into 50 plus 50 into 51. I can take the 50 whole thing common, minus 50 plus 51. So the answer will be what? 50. Alright. So the correct option is option number D. Now, moving on to the next question. It has been given to me that I have a function fx as this tan x upon x minus 5, then the limit is of x is tending to a pi, then I have to find the value for fx. This is what I have to do. So what I can do is again think of the whole system as tan x by x when limit x tends to a 0 returns a value of 1. So that will help me. But in order to make it like that, we have to change the tan because in denominator I have x minus 5. So what can I do? Can you imagine this whole thing like this? If I say, see the pi, if I pi minus 6, if I write it like that, the tan will be same. Okay, the ratio will not change, but there will be a minus sign. So I can write tan x is equals to minus times of tan pi minus x. Got this? Or like, but that is the catch in this question. I can write this as pi minus x, and in denominator I have x minus pi. So I'll take minus outside, and there will be a pi minus 6 over here as well. So the question for me is now this: limit x is tending to a pi. Alright, there is tan pi minus x, and there's a pi minus x. And now if I can write pi minus x as, say, let's say theta. So as x tends to a pi, theta tends to a 0. Alright, so limit of theta tend to a 0, tan theta by theta will return a value of 1. Alright, now moving on to the next question. Question number 78. So in question number 78, what do I have to do? The limit for x tends to a 0. There's a sign mx multiplied with cot x upon under root 3 given to us as equals to 2. Now we have to find the value for m. So basically, I'll just try to find the limit. So separating the limit term, there's a sign mx over here, and it is multiplied with limit x tends to 0 cot x upon under root 3. Alright, if I multiply mx over here, x into 0, so sin mx upon mx. Alright, and same I'll do for the cot as well. I'll write it as 1 by tan x upon under root 3. Alright, and limit is x tends to 0. So since there is x upon under root 3, I'll let 1 upon under root 3 over here, and I'll multiply with base by 1 by under root 3. So under root 3 will come in the denominator, numerator. Alright, so what am I being left with over here? There is an under root 3 mx, yeah, under root 3 mx upon x. Yeah, under root 3 mx upon x into 1 is equals to 2. So x is getting cancelled out. So m is 2 upon under root 3. Alright, now moving on to the next question, which is question number 79. Alright. So in question number 79, it has been given to me that fx plus x square upon plus x cube upon 3 factorial, alright, and it is going on till forever. Okay, it is tending to infinity. Now we have to differentiate this function. What we can do, I'll just give you the hint for this. You have to remember these formulas as they are very basic in terms. So dx is nothing but whatever is written in the question. This is ex in expanded form going till infinity, right? So your fx is nothing but ex. Now you have to find f dash x. So you'll just differentiate ex, you'll get ex again. So that is what you have to write over here. Okay. So rather than writing ex over here, I'll suggest that you write y over here, because that will agree with the case that they are not given ex in the question, so you can't write ex over here. Although it is true, but in order to give a better answer for this question, I'll suggest that you write dy by dx equal to y. All right, because what was it? Y was equals to x, and y dash is also equal to ex. Ex is equals to y, so just write y over there. Now moving on to the last question. So in question number 80, you can see that the limit for x is going to a positive 3 and x gif of x. All right. So what happens here is I can write it as like this: x is equals to 3 plus h. When x is tending to a 3 positive, where the limit for x is tending to a 3 plus and limit for h is tending to a 0. Alright. Now, if I write this thing as this, so there will be a 3 plus h over here, and actually limit for 3 plus h over here. Alright. So, what can I do? I can just, there will be a 3 plus h over here. H is tending to a 0, so the GIF will be obviously equal to 3. Right? And h is tending to a 0, so 0, so 3 by 3 will be equal to 1. So the answer for here will be 1. Yeah, so this completes our topic on limits and derivatives. Alright, I'll suggest that you try all these sums by yourself, and you can refer to the solution whenever you are stuck. Then afterwards, if you find any difficulty in solving, like after every 3-4 questions, you have to refer to the solution. Then I'll suggest that you do the examples first, because they will be very helpful for you. All right, that's all for today. I think that we are done. So thank you for your time.